Recording.
John Lampe here from Green Shoots. We're going to be making a stake out of a invasive tree that we cut, and now we're going to convert it into a stake using this tool from Green Shoots. It's a stake pointer, and it works with a drill. This is a 1/2 inch drill. You need a 1/2 inch to handle this particular device, and it's a pretty simple product to use. I actually just leave the tree in the ground. You can just start the project right on the top like this. You just cut down like that, and you've got a stake. It's pointed. Then I'll just cut it off at the bottom and drive the stake in the ground. So it's pretty sharp. Drives into the ground really easily like that. So then we'll just cut it off. I'll just use the chainsaw to do that. Cut it off like that. You've got a pretty good stake. Real easy to drive in the ground. And a lot better than a stake you'd buy at a big box store. It's going to be a lot sturdier than lath that you'd normally use for a stake like this. Works really well, very sturdy. As you can see, you can pound it pretty hard without the thing snapping in half.